As of 2021, F-16 is the world's most numerous fixed-wing aircraft in military service. Designated as an air superiority day fighter, it evolved into a successful all-weather multi-role aircraft. Over 4,600 aircraft were built since the production was approved in 1976. Nearly 2,700 currently remain in service in around 26 countries. F-16 user countries include Bahrain, Belgium, Denmark, Egypt, Greece, Indonesia, Israel, Netherlands, Norway, Pakistan, South Korea, Poland, Portugal, Singapore, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, USA, and Venezuela. The F-16 Fighting Falcon bears an unusual distinction. It is the only one top jet fighters in the world to also be cost-efficient, fast, and extremely agile. The light fighter does have some shortcomings in range and payload compared to the large twin-engine fighters like F-15 Eagle, but that was easy to forgive due to cost less than half as much. The F-16 was first fighter jet to have frameless bubble canopy, giving pilots to a 40-degree look-down angle over the sides and a 15-degree look-down angle over the nose. The F-16 was first fighter built to pull 9 Gs, and it was aerodynamically designed to reduce energy loss during the high G maneuvers. The F-16 is relatively easy to service as well. 80% of the access panels can be reopened without using a ladder stand. The Fighting Falcon's first aerial victories came from courtesy of the IAF in April 1982 when a net shot down a Syrian Air Force MiG-23. That June, Israeli F-16 took on the Syrian MiGs during the conflict in Lebanon, ultimately being credited with 44 kills. According to the Lockheed Martin, there have been 10 production blocks for the F-16, from Block 1 in 1979 to at least Block 70 by 72, generally known as the F-16V. Between countries, blocks and models, a total of 139 versions of the jet has been produced over the past few decades. The Fighting Falcon has accumulated 72 air-to-air with no air-to-air losses except one fratricide loss in Pakistan Air Force when an AIM-9L switched locked onto a wingman. Its older variant cost roughly around 30 million apiece. But Block 70 by 72 costs 64 million per unit. So F-16 is not longer a cheap fighter. The US Air Force no longer purchasing them, but they are still being built for foreign militaries. Most of the military pilot refers to F-16 as the Viper because of the similarities of the head of the snake. With its high thrust to weight ratio, extreme maneuverability, and pilot ergonomics and visibility, the F-16 has been one of the most respected and feared fighter aircraft in the past 40 years. If you want to see this kind of video more and more in our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.